Hi friends, welcome to the Plain Fun RC channel. I'm your host Saul. We're here in the Fly Right RC tent, or the Aero Panda tent actually, but these are the Fly Right RC products. Folks, we have got a fantastic balancer here. If you're using the Xicoy balancers for your plane, we know how difficult it is to try to get those balancers positioned correctly. And it is a giant pain in the butt. There's no two ways around it. It's not fun at all. Well, we've got Ben here. Ben, thanks so much for being here today. Ben, tell the folks at home what we're looking at here.
So as Saul perfectly said, trying to get those dimensions into the airplane is just a major pain in the rear. If you've used one, you know. So what we do here is we've simplified that task and eliminated all the gymnastics involved with gathering those dimensions. So on this side of the jig, you'll see we have digital positioners over here. And if you come around, you can actually see that this just picks up location. Wherever this is on the track, that number, that dimension from a reference point shows up on the display.
Now I see. So no, let me come around there so the folks at home can see what you're doing there. So this has an actual digital display on it.
Yep.
So wherever you're supposed to position that particular disc of the Xicoy processor, and folks, you can see that round portion there. That's where the disc fits into. You can now see it there. So instead of having to use a ruler, a tape measure, it's now all digital.
Yep.
And you can also see that here as well. They also have a
Exactly.
digital setting here too. Now, talk to me about the laser. Let's move that to the left so it's aiming at the box there so the folks at home can see the laser.
So the cool part about the laser on this system is it's a zero reference point system. So anywhere that you have the laser, you can create a reference point. So you can just zero that out. Say you don't know where your CG point is on your plane. Manufacturers give you a specification, a certain distance. You can actually just bring this up to the leading edge of your wing and zero it. And then if your manufacturer says, you know, it's 100 millimeters back from that point, follow the laser, put that mark on your airplane, you have your mark. You can bring this back, create a zero reference point on your axle, and then just move it out to your CG point, and that dimension goes directly into the Xicoy or the Sky RC system.
Fantastic,
that
folks.
Simple, that fast.
Oh, that's fantastic.
Now, the other cool thing is a lot of people don't realize there's a third function of the Xicoy that allows you to add or remove weight from a certain point on the airplane. And it's a really hard, you know, like say you're nose heavy, so you want to add tail weight. And it's really hard to get that dimension of the plane, but with this, it makes it real simple. So you just, again, zero it right at your axle, and then say this is the spot on the airplane where you want to add or remove weight. You put that dimension right into the Xicoy, and that third function, you have that dimension, no hassle.
That is wonderful.
Same thing with the front end of the airplane. You can slide this axis out, and you can move this out. And if it's, you know, you want to add nose weight, again, you just create your 0 point at your axle, and then just move that out to whatever location you want. You put that number in the Xicoy, and you have that third feature, which is really hard to capture.
That is amazing. Now, this all breaks down. I see it goes into this really nice case. So pop open that case for the folks at home so they can see exactly what they're getting when they buy this particular balancer here. So it's almost like a gun case.
It basically is. And it just houses everything. You can dismantle it, put it in there for safety.
And you can put your Xicoy in there too if you wanted to.
Room, yeah.
Awesome. That's nice. Folks, if you've never used a Xicoy processor, go and buy one, and then go over to Fly Right RC and get one, because I'm telling you, the first time you use the Xicoy and have to do all the measurements, you're going to, this is a headache. But the Fly Right RC has this. Folks, full disclosure, I have one. I purchased it. I was never given one. Let me be very honest with the folks at home. But I wanted folks to know about this because after having used the Xicoy, I know how difficult it is to get all the measurements. And Ben here has taken the time to work out all of the kinks. Now, question for you, Ben.
Yes.
We, obviously, you know, there's a bit of a learning curve in this because, you know, you got to understand how to use the Xicoy.
Yep.
Do you have anything on YouTube where the folks can find directions on how to go about using it?
I don't personally. I do have Brendan McCormick with Lighter Side of RC has done a demo on this. You can check his YouTube channel out for it, but I will be putting out some YouTube videos in the future describing how this works in
Fantastic.
general. But again, if you've used the Xicoy, you kind of know. One thing I did want to point out too is this is our optional 360-degree laser.
Oh yeah, look at that,
So
all the way
anywhere
around.
that you go, like if you have to get way inside, you know, under the wing, and it's hard to get if it's a lower jet,
right,
or a bigger airplane where you want to take a measurement out there, the 360 laser is really nice for that. So it gives you full coverage all the way around.
And folks, I'm going to encourage you to go ahead and get that, because I can tell you without a doubt, having a laser is very important. It's a little extra. It's worth every dollar. Question for you, my friend. We know we have airplanes of different lengths.
Yes.
So, and some of the jets, especially like, for example, we see that Kinetics over there. That's a massive jet right there.
Yep.
And the jets just keep getting bigger.
Yep.
is there a way, or do you offer longer tracks here
So-
for massive airplanes, or can you connect tracks?
Yes, you can. So what I do is this actually comes stock. So this would go on to the end over here, and it gets you about 8 feet of coverage from the tail wheel out to the end of the.
Wow. Okay.
So it's stock. It's going to handle just about anything you want. But I have had circumstances where people did go bigger and they needed another 20-inch extension. So there's a piece of track that you connect right to this. It has another magnetic scale
Right.
onto it, and you have extra extension. Same thing with this axis. You know, some of these planes have, same thing with this axis, some of these planes have, you got to get way out here, and the landing gear would be out here.
They've got very wide landing gear,
Exactly.
correct?
So I add an extension right onto the end here.
Right.
And it brings you out.
Wonderful. Fantastic. Well, folks, let me encourage you to go ahead and get in. If the folks want to purchase this particular item here, where would they go, sir?
Go to my website, www.flyrightRC.com.
Say it one more time for the folks at home.
www.flyrightRC.com.
Ben, I want to thank you so much for your time and for introducing us to these fine products to make our lives easier and keep our planes flying perfectly. All right, friends, more to come.